Hello my friend, thank you so much for clicking on today's video and spending some time with me. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some easy ways that you can take some of Dollar Tree items just to organize and tidy up your home. And as you can see, Dollar Tree always has out a ton of different organizers and different things that you can grab and pick up, like these new bags that are super beautiful. And I was super surprised and excited to see these because they are really nice, to be honest, and they do come in three colors. You can see here they have this bluish colored bag with the gold zipper. They all have a gold zipper, which is nice, and I really love all the colors. I picked up this one, and this one is a really nice, these bags are a really nice size, and you can see it even has a pocket on the lid of it, so that is a plus as well. And it does feel very nice, so I do recommend you to pick these up if you are wanting to, if you do like them, to go ahead and check your Dollar Tree now, because I found them about, I would say, a week ago from when this video is coming out. So they are putting them out right now, and I want to use this specifically to just throw in all of my daughter's hair bows and hair ties, so everything could stay nice in one place, and then I could just easily hang up the bag afterwards, and always grab it and hang it back up whenever I need. And it won't have to be in that little zipper bag that you saw that it was in, because I placed it in there because we did just recently move, and we did move out of state. So, I had to throw everything, in little bags and plastic bags and everything like that. So for now, I am going to use this bag from Dollar Tree to organize all of her hair stuff and, all that good stuff like that. And then for the little compartment on the top, we can use that for hair clips, like claw clips, which is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in there, and then we can easily hang it up really nicely, and it's just up and out the way, and I can grab them whenever I need. Next up, my friends, we're going to be taking this 2-pack of candy jars. These are plastic and they do come with the lids. They are from Dollar Tree, of course, as well as these floss picks. Now, I thought of using these little candy jars because they are just so, super clean, nice looking, to just add little stuff for your bathroom, which I thought was great because again, it does come with the lid, and they are clear, so if you wanted to spray paint the outside, you can in whatever color you decide, or you can leave them clear and add labels using your Cricut or Dollar Tree stickers. That's, obviously your choice. I am gonna leave it nice and clear how it is for now, because I do think that it looks nice, just as it is, because you can obviously see what's inside, and you can have it right sitting in your bathroom on a little tray. But I am gonna go ahead and fill one of these with the floss picks, cover it up, and then I'm gonna use the other one to put cotton balls in. So I'm just going to fill that one up all the way. And again, I absolutely love this for the bathroom stuff because it's the perfect size, and it's not, in your face and just big jars that are sitting around the bathroom, but they sit there nice and sleek, and I love it. Next up, we have here 3 of these little dispenser pumps. These are super cute, and again, I love the colors. They have the lids at the top, and you can just easily press down, so that way whatever product you put in here can come out nice and easily, and I love that. I'm going to show you a few different things that you can put in here to use these little dispensers. For the first one, I am going to use hair gel to place in here, because my thought for this one was if you are in your car and you are going somewhere and you need to fix your hair quickly, you can have it on hand in this little dispenser, this little jar, right, at hand and ready for you to go. And it's not too big or anything, so it doesn't take up any space at all, and you can just leave it in your car or in your little makeup bag and just throw it in there. So I am just pouring in some hair gel and until it's nice and full, and you can see how easily it pumps up. And I'm really surprised at how well these pumps work. It does take you obviously a few pumps to get the product through the straw, but once it comes out nice and easy, and it's good to go. And I just love the idea to have on hand. And of course you can add a little label to the front so you can know what they are, but I know what they are because I myself am the one, placing the products inside. So you don't have to add a label if you don't want, but if you want to add a label, you definitely can, and it will look nice as well with the labels. Now you can see on the second one, I am placing down some hand soap, because I'm thinking that whenever you are traveling and you need your stuff on hand, if you are stopping at a rest area or something like that and they don't have soap, which I have come across a handful of times, then you can just easily go inside of your purse and wash your hands without any problems. And here we are just being silly in the mirror. She is gonna help me with the next one. That is my daughter Nyla, in case you don't know her, but she is going to film me real quick doing the third one. In the third one, I decided to put some lotion just for everyday use and for whenever you need it. So I'm just going to pour some down inside of the bottle, and it just completely made a mess everywhere. And do not do that because lotions are expensive. But it just blurted out everywhere. But again, this is perfect for on the go, to have on hand in your purse whenever you need it. So I love that because it is very handy, and it's a good thing that I picked up 3 because I have 3 different things. But you can go ahead and pick up as many as you want to. You can have them on hand because they are really nice to have, and a nice way to just keep things in your purse whenever you might need them, or in your car, because you just never know, and it's definitely good to be prepared, my friend. And in case you didn't check out my last video, it is another organization video. So this is kind of like a part 2 to the first one. If you haven't checked that one out, I will have it linked in the description box below. But this is all 3 bottles with the products inside, and you did not see that. But moving on to the next one, we have this Dollar Tree organizer. It's just a clear little organizer. I'm going to show you a few different things that you can place down in here just to save you some space and to tidy up a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to place in here are my tea bags, because I love to drink tea here and there. Let me know if you like to drink tea as well. But I'm going to place my tea bags down in here because I think it's really nice to just place down and just pick them up whenever you need it, rather than opening the box and trying to find the box even in your pantry, or whatever the case. But you can place them in here. Definitely you will need way more tea bags though, because this is a bigger organizer, so you can definitely fit a few different kinds of tea in this one organizer, which is great because it saves you even more space without having all of the boxes of the teas. So you can place them all in here and have them ready to go. While you're watching the other things you can place down in here, it is time for our secret word for today's video. If you already know why we do a secret word. It just lets me know that you made it this far into my video, and you are truly appreciated for that, because it does help me, my channel, and to help me reach new viewers. So thank you so much for sticking around and showing your support, because it really does mean a lot to me. So thank you. So for today, the word is going to be clean. So comment that down below and I will know that you made it this far. So thank you, my friend. Now you can see that I placed down my favorite snack in the organizer. You can also place down your favorite drinks to use it in the refrigerator, which is great because, my friend, this organizer can just go anywhere. Literally, you can place it anywhere you would like, and of course you can pick up multiple of these so you can organize your fridge really nicely. But you can go ahead and place your favorite drink, and you can also use this for in the bathroom for placing down your hand towels like this right on top of here, or you can place it on a little side table if you have it in the bathroom. But I absolutely love all the ways that you can use this organizer, and again, it's just to show you some ideas on how to use it if you didn't know what to do with it, as are all of these ideas in today's video and my previous video. Let me know if you are enjoying these videos, because if you are, I will continue to do them here and there along with my DIYs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos every week. And I will see you all on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless. Bye.